everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the close to my heart SVG files into Design Space. Instead of being available as a Cricut file, this one for Happiest Place is available as an SVG. And along with that, there's another file that is listed as an SVG in the catalog. So let's get started. I'm using the desktop version of Windows 10. So when you go to my Close to My Heart online store, this is what you'll see, and you'll need to sign into your account. Then click on your name in the upper right corner, and you'll get this drop-down bar. Click Account, and then this next screen will show up. On the left side, click Digital Library, and then you'll get a list of all of the SVG files you have purchased from Close to My Heart, and it should look something like this. So we're going to work with the first one called Happiest Place Designs. Click the download icon, and this box should show up. And then you want to just click OK, and you'll be saving that file. Then in the upper right corner of your screen, this arrow should be blue, and you want to click on it. This small box will open up, and you want to click on that file icon. This should take you to your download files, and I have it set up by day. So today's files that show up are the Happiest Place one that I just put in there. So you'll see this listed with a white file icon next to it. You will need to rename this file. So you do this by right-clicking, and then this box shows up, and then you want to click Rename. Type .zip after the word happiest. Now, my computer added a 2 in parentheses because I had already downloaded this file to my computer, so this is the second time. So that's why I have the 2, but yours should show up as happiest.zip. And then also note that that white file icon has now changed to a yellow zipper file icon. Okay, so at the top of your screen, you'll see a pink extract. You may have to click on this, and then you will see extract all to the right, and you want to click on this. Then what you'll get is this pop-up window, and you want to click extract. This will get all of your files into a file that you can open. So you'll get another file that is just a yellow file icon that says happiest. Double click on this folder, and it should open up, and you'll see a list of 20 different SVGs. And these are all of your images that you can put into Design Space. Okay, so now I'll show you how to actually put them in Design Space. You want to sign into your account, and I have opened up another window. So I have 2 windows open now. The window in back are all of my files on my computer, and the one layered on top is Design Space. So open up a canvas, and then you want to click on Upload on the left side, and then you'll get this window, and then you want to click Upload Image. This window should show up, and then you can grab individual SVGs from the list on the left side and drag and drop them into Design Space. So the first one is the one that I dragged over, so it's the balloons, and I added a tag to say that it was Close to My Heart, Happiest Place, and then you want to click Save. It should show up in your recently uploaded images section, and then you can begin working with that image. To continue adding the rest of the files, to Design Space, just repeat the process. Click on Upload Image, and then grab the SVG that you want to add to Design Space and drag it over, and then click Save, and continue doing this for each individual SVG. So I hope you found this video helpful. I always forget every time I purchase an SVG, and so this helps me too. So this file for Happiest Place is now available in my online store, along with another file called the Happiest Place Bundle, and you can get them both by going to the URL in the upper right corner of your screen. I appreciate you spending some time watching my video today. I hope it was helpful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.